Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube. It's my 294th Floss Tube and today is August 19th, 2025 already. Yeah, it has just been a very, very fast month. I do have my August cup and it's jasmine green tea again. Yeah. Holy cow. It was kind of a disjointed week, but I couldn't believe I had 2 reviews and 2 starts. So I'm like, when did all that come about, you know? I guess it did. Let's start with one of the starts. And this one is from DP Clubs. Let's see if I can get it out without... Oh, nope, it's not. I was going to see if I can get it out of there without the thread. And it is the Autumn Cat, is what we're going to call it. Yeah, I really like that. I'm trying to get the glare off, but it's not working too well. It's just one of those days, I guess. So, in the video, I started working on the black part of the cat in 310 black. And I did put in a few stitches down here on part of that, we'll call it a wreath, if you will, of autumn colors. So, yep, that is all that I got done with that. The next one came from FG Normal. I do have a picture. Isn't that pretty? It's just absolutely gorgeous. And I believe that in the video we started up in here. So I didn't get any further. I had a few irons in the fire this week. So that little green part is all that I got done. Yeah. I had to go places and do things. And those are the only 2 starts that I had. So we also, let's see where the picture is, worked on this one from New Craft Day. It is my beautiful, radiant, stunning peacock. I do like this. And it's done in Egyptian cotton. I'm trying to figure out where I was at. So we worked a little bit on his neckline and kind of hopped, skipped, and jumped right through here. But yeah, I never got back to it. But look at that flower. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, the flowers and the detail is just magnificent in this. I just absolutely love it. It's one of the peacocks that I have loved from the very beginning. I don't think much will change on that. I was looking for, what is it called? Colorful Town. I think nope, I got that one from 7th grade. I almost said New Craft Day, but no. And it's just the same. It's very high quality, nice to work on. And even the, what do you call it? The Egyptian cotton is very nice as well. And we also worked on this one from FG Normal. It's called Flower Path. I got it last year in May. So we worked with actually this color green. So I had it out. So I'm just adding it into this bower up here and here, making sure it was all right side up. But yeah, I love this too. It is just so pretty. And it's going to have some back stitching to kind of bring out all these elements and things that are in it. So yeah, it'll, right now it kind of looks, I want to say blobby, if that's a word. You can't, it's not defined until that back stitching is in. So that'll make it look 10 times better. But I just love that turquoise color of the building. Yeah. It's just lovely. Just lovely. And last but not least, get the thread out. It's in the way for every one of these. This is Raspberry Hut, and it came from Biggest Craft. No, I guess I got 2 more. So, just, and see, it's not very big. It's just tiny. I like it. I really do. I like the reds and the, I don't know if there's going to be oranges or golds. But, yeah, I think it'll be pretty. And it's got some blues down there. Or maybe even teal, if you will. Teal to turquoise color. Down here where the snow and the shadow in the snow is. Yeah, so it's a favorite too. And let's see. I gotta get, oh dear. We also worked on the hairpins last week. Yep, I never got back to that either. I did take it to my daughter's, but it's not like I got anything else done. We were working, I'm just going to fold it in half because y'all know what it looks like. On that blue right there on the lady next to my pink, and well, she's actually got red and pink or peach colors. So, yep. I finished up the thread that I had when I was at my daughter's watching the kids. And I didn't bring the thread with me. So that just kind of put me off. So, yeah. It's like, nope. And then it was like 90 degrees the next day. It's like, no, we're good. And, oh God, hang on. Get everybody shifted around. Trying to figure out where my picture is. This is the Tang Dynasty scroll. And I know, it's the absolute worst picture ever. Yeah, they could have made 2 separate pages and made it huge. But no. So, I'm trying to figure out. Oh dear. I think I started on this side. I started on the left-hand side of the thing. So, I was just working. I got out a couple threads. And this thing is so stiff. And just put those lines in that building. I think there's 2 more symbols, maybe possibly 3. Just kind of interwoven there. So, yeah, that's all I got done on that. And that, guys, is everything that I worked on last week. It was hot and I had things to do, and we'll try to do better next week. What can I say? I don't know if we'll have any more reviews this week or not. I never know when they're coming. And of course we'll have August Saturday stitching. And that will be animals, either real or imagined. You can join us, join me at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. I don't know what that time is anyplace else. So we'll have that at least. And I'll probably have Stitch with Me. I may dig up some of these that I never even started the week prior to all that. Or that came in, sorry. It's been hot, and so my hair just gets itchy. So, yeah. I know more information than you needed to know. Other than that, I think that's about it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless. Keep stitching.